Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a limited edition from Anthropologie and it is On The Glow Travel Beauty Bag. Look at this bag, it's so cute. This is still available on their website. It retails for £58. If you were to use code WELCOME10, then you can get 10% off. So you can get £5.80 off. Now, I've already got an account with Anthropologie and I was able to use that code and it still worked. So that was good to know. But yeah, it contains 13 products. It has a value of £210. If you're interested in this beauty bag for yourself, then as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. I'll pop that code down there as well. And you'll also see all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome, take a look. So let's get on showing you what's inside. I love Anthropologie. Look at this bag. I really like it. It reminds me of the Space NK ones. It's really nice, isn't it? I like that. I'll definitely be keeping this one. I have got a thing with bags. I find it really hard to give them away. But no, I'm definitely be using this one for my next trip away. I've got a trip to Greece coming up in a couple of weeks' time. Right, let's start off then. I love this. This is beautiful. It's a hair clip. That is so cute. I love that. Look. That's gorgeous, isn't it? That is so nice. Sometimes when we get like hair accessories and things, they're not the best, unfortunately. But no, that is a definite pretty summery usable one. Yeah, I love that. This is Sol de Ibiza Magic Sun. Oh, it's not perfume. Sorry, I knew there is a perfume in here. Okay. It's not a perfume, it is a Magic Sun Oil multi-purpose zinc lotion with SPF 15. There's 30 mils here. So it's an SPF 15 sun oil. Just want to try a little bit on my hand. SPF 15 is extremely low. No scent, except oil. Just an oil scent. It feels nice though. Wow, it doesn't... I want to smell it all the time, but it hasn't got any scent. So yeah, I'm more likely to use that just as an oil and not for the SPF benefits, as yeah, SPF 15 is extremely low. We've got L'Occitane, and this is Fleurs de Cerisier. I think this is perfumed shower oil. And there's 75 mils there. Okay, I love the scent of L'Occitane products. Oh, that smells so gorgeous. Oh, it reminds me of something. Oh, what's it got here? Notes of Fleurs de Cerisier. Oh, notes of cherry blossom. Extract of cherry from Provence. It's got to be the same one then. I have bought the shower gel, the cherry blossom shower gel from this brand, and body lotion twice. It is so good. It's so good. So I know I got a little mini one. I'm sure it's the same. Got a perfume, and this is... Oh my gosh, I'm really sorry about this. Celandine. I'm very dyslexic. And yeah, I should have had a look online first to see how to pronounce these. So it's Sunkissed 10 mil, made in the USA, bring spirit of vacation to every day, any season, anywhere. Ooh, it doesn't say what it smells of. Let's see if I can describe it for you, which I'm not always the best at doing. I love the bottle. Oh, I love the spray. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. It's definitely nighttime, holiday. I can't describe it. I am so sorry. Yeah, it's instantly holiday. You're abroad, sun beaming down at you, or you're getting ready for a night out. That's a really nice smell. It's a little bit musky as well. I'm not going to say any more because I'm probably getting it all wrong. But yeah. Oh, I love it. I love that. We got a Tangle Teezer, a mini one. These are so handy for straight or curly hair. And this is a really nice size, actually. I have got a full-size version of this. But I am going to bring this with me to Greece. I do like brushes like this. I've just recently had a really nice one from Look Fantastic. It's the May Beauty Box. That was really, really nice. And my gosh, you blow dry your hair fast with that. But it's quite big and bulky, or else this is a lot smaller and a handy little size to bring with me. So I'm able to blow dry my frizzy hair, although most of this hair is fake. I got my natural frizzy hair underneath. Yeah, I like that. Then we got Grown Alchemist, and this is Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. And there is 50 mils there. Yep, it smells like sherbet lemon sweets. You know those yellow lemon looking sweets, hard boiled sweets. You crack open a sherbet inside. That's exactly what it smells of. Here's that. We got Beauty Works, and this is Dreamshine Leave-In Blow Dry Formula with keratin, 24-hour frizz control. Show off silky straight strands with a leave-in conditioner spray that shields hair from frizz and flyaways. So you spray it onto damp hair and then you blow dry as normal. Again, this is another great product that I'll probably take with me. I love it when all the travel beauty edits start coming out. We've seen a few so far, but I think I am loving this one the most. I think so. But yeah, I haven't tried this one before, I don't think. Nice little size to take, easy to blow dry and protect my hair. And then we've got Bondi Sands Fake Tan. These are self-tan drops, light to medium for face and body. And there's 30 mils. So I love a fake tan. On my face, I prefer sprays, but I have used drops before. Drops are handy. You can mix them in with your foundation or moisturizer. Bondi Sands is my favorite fake tan. It's one I keep going back to over and over again. So yeah, it's light to medium. I prefer medium to dark. That might be something I could pass on to my daughter, actually. If it was medium to dark, I'd definitely use it, but light to medium, I don't know. Then we got Lana Lips, and this is 101 Ointment Multi-Balm in Watermelon. 101 uses. So it looks like. So it's a clear balm. And use it lips, face, eyebrows, hair, nails, cuticles, dry areas, anywhere. I wonder, 101 though. Oh, I can just smell it lightly now. What have I got in here? I've also got perfume, haven't I? Yeah, I can just very, very lightly smell the watermelon. Hydrating, nourishing, super intense. A little tube of magic, an all-natural lanolin balm with watermelon extract and vitamin E. There's that. We've got another perfume, and this is Phlur Missing Person, and there's 5 mils here. Top notes, skin musk, bergamot nectar and sheer jasmine. Heart notes are fresh cyclamen, neroli blossom, and orange flower. And base notes are sandalwood, Australia oil, blonde wood and white musk. Okay, a little bit on the fence. I think I am gonna like this. Woo! Oh my God, that's just flung the other side of the room. I'll get that in a minute. Weirdly, I couldn't really smell it on my hand. So let's try more. Strange. I can't smell it on my hand. Missing person, more like missing scent. So weird. If you've already bought this beauty bag and you're just watching it just to see what my reactions are to things, please let me know. Or if you've tried this perfume before, if you smelt it before, yeah, let me know what is going on. Anyway, we've got hair syrup, and this is Rapunzel. This is a pre-wash oil infused with pink grapefruit, sweet almond and cherry. And this brand is based where I live in Pembrokeshire, Wales. And they do lots of different oils for the hair. I have used these before, but I can't use them now that I've got tape in. I can't put oils and things because it will disrupt like the adhesive in them. I think I applied the Rapunzel to my mid-lengths and ends, and I applied a different one to my roots. I can't remember now, but yeah, it's a nice oil to try. Then we've got hand painted, oh my gosh, hand-painted compact mirror. It's a Shell Solar Eclipse, New York. Oh, wow. I thought this was masks when I had a look in here, but no, we have got a mask left. A contemporary handbag essential, intentionally designed in New York City to bring beauty and function to everyday routine. Oh, this is cute. You're gonna love this. This is so cute. Look. Look at that. That's how big it is. And you just slide it like that. Look, filming on my phone. Look. That is so, so cute. Yeah, I'm a sucker for things like this. I love that. A little bit different. And then lastly, we have got a sheet mask by Patchology, and this is Surf Chilled on Ice Hydrogel Firming Face Mask with peptides, cloudberry oil and bakuchiol. And there's one mask there. It tells you how to use them on the back there. So yeah, I am really impressed with this bag. So to recap it briefly, we have got a sheet mask. We've got a mini detangling brush. We've got a leave-in blow dry spray. We've got a gorgeous hair clip. We've got a really cute little mirror. We've got a multi-purpose balm. We've got 2 perfumes. One beautiful, the other, I can't smell it. We've got a cleansing gel. We've got a shower gel. We've got a hair oil. We've got self-tan drops. And lastly, a body oil with SPF 15. And they all come in this really cool little toiletry bag. I think it's such a great mix. 13 products, has a value of £210 and it can be bought for £58, or you can get 10% off if you use the code WELCOME10. I think besides the hair oil, I definitely bring and use all the products on holiday. Everything in here is all related to like going away for the weekend or a week away or something, you know. Yeah, maybe the hair oil is something you'd want to do if you're on holiday, but for me personally, I wouldn't want to. It's something I would do at home. But I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy it? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, I really like that? Or are you thinking, do you know what? Yeah, it's nice, but nah, I'm not going to get it. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.